Hello everyone. If you want to connect your JBL wireless microphone to a speaker, then the setup is quick once you follow the right steps. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can pair it properly and avoid any kind of connection issues. So first of all, you need to turn on your JBL microphone and your speaker. Just make sure that both the devices have enough battery and are close to each other. This ensures a smooth pairing process without any signal issues. Now, once you are ready to connect, you just have to put the microphone into the pairing mode. For that, you just have to press and hold the power button until the indicator light starts blinking. At the same time, you need to enable the Bluetooth pairing mode on your speaker. This allows both the devices to search for each other. Now you just have to do nothing but to just wait for the devices to connect automatically. Once paired, the indicator light will stop blinking and change the color. You can then test the mic by speaking and checking the sound output. If it doesn't connect, you can try restarting both the devices and repeat the same process. Finally, you can adjust the volume levels on both the microphone and the speaker. Also, you can keep the mic within a proper range to avoid any kind of audio drops or delays. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.